Have you ever changed a small thing in code and suddenly something totally unrelated broke? That happens when we violate single responsibility principle. Let's take a real project example, an e-commerce order system. When user places an order, order is created, order is saved in database, invoice is generated, email is sent. This is how real apps work. For that, I'll create a class of order service, then the method of place order. Inside the method, I'll create more than one task to perform. This class is doing too many things. Order service is performing four tasks. So if you modify database, then we need to modify the class. And if I need to change invoice format, then also I need to modify this class. So one small change and there will be a big risk. If I will call the class, then first I'll create a program class, then to call the method, I'll create an object. This code will also run, but it is a bad design of a code. And suppose if I need to modify our notification system, and if customer want to remove email and have notification through SMS or WhatsApp instead, then I'll need to touch the order logic just to change the notification. For that, there will be a big risk of all the tested activity that I have already done. So this is how production bugs happen. I will apply single responsibility principle, then there will be too many classes performing a single task. For example, order service is only performing the task of order created. Then I will create a order repository class and it will perform the task of save order saved to database. Then I will create a class of invoice service with method name generate, and this will perform only one responsibility of invoice. then then class of notification service, and in this I'm sending the message through email. Now each class has one responsibility. So if I need to modify any of the tasks, then there will be only one change in one class. So all the tested task is not need to retouch, and the order of logic will not be changed again. There will be a safe modification with the help of single responsibility principle. Now I am calling my methods in the main class. If I'll need to perform modification in notification service and add message sent through SMS, then only one class will be changed and order logic will be untouched. There will be the safe deployment of the program. So, SRP ensures that a class should have only one reason to change, reducing regression bugs. If one small change forces you to modify many things, you are violating SRP. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.